What's up, everyone? I'm about to show you guys how to use Canva to create a t-shirt design or a merchandise design, and how to use it as a mock-up as well. So all in one in a quick video if you want to see. So yeah, Teespring, as a Teespring, Canva has their own dimensions for t-shirts, so you can just follow this. I already have mine here. So we shall open it. Where is this? Yeah, it's already open here. So let's ignore this and go here. This is what I created today. This is Django. Created this as well. Using Canva. It's our home. There's one I've seen just a bit. I created this. I think I'll post a video where I created this on for you to see. This, yeah. So all these are designs, but I'm not going to take so much time like the other video showing the designs. We'll show you how to create a design, and then we go into how to use it for a mockup. First, you can use templates. I use templates sometimes, and from the templates you improve it. Canva templates are not that good, to be honest. Either you search on it and find something and build it from scratch, or use a template and modify it. So let's look for one template. So to build from scratch, let's go to elements. I'll use free. For you, I use pro for my designs, but I'll use the free version. It's already working with the sound for my previous design. See how there are many amazing sounds here. So you can do sound design. Sound is something universal. Everyone knows what the sound is. Put a sign here, and I don't know if you type raise, yeah, you see how the raise is showing. So let's start. Use something like this, and you can flip it vertically. See how you can decide to add it to this. You can change the background more times, more often than not. The background color is what brings it. So if it's a black shirt like this, and see, a ball of sunshine. I'm a ray of sunshine because of the rays. A ray of sunshine. Ray of sunshine. So you just put that down here. Just a quick design, and also you can decide to put it that way the sun be in front of it and real sunshine. And if you're not happy with the fonts, you can try different fonts. Try different the sun. Yes, you can use something like this. I like coloring monitoring. So you can just choose any color for the sun. So it's I think it should be much more creative than this. So let's look for a better font. If you want something that's handwritten, go to handwriting right here. There are some fonts. You can see the preview on the side all the time. Let's do this quickly. I want a quick design. Terrible. Very, very terrible. Since I'm using Pro, I can use these for designs. Let me try and use a free one. This is cute. This is cuter, so let's use having it. The writing is too small, yeah. Yes, I'm a ray of sunshine. See that? Push the way down a bit. And this, I don't know whether some lights, I type lights, what will come out. I want something like this, yes. So, twice. The key, I want something that's to have even size and be this. It's just Select this and click the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these, just spread them, spread them, spread them, spread them, spread them. Let's make it look good. This is all very important for design. That's what design is about. I want to do this quickly so that everything is in a quick and short video. So I don't know what I should use white for some of them. I don't know what I should use white for them. Half white, half orange. Yes. So, real sunshine. So this, for example, is a design. So you want to export it. I always use 3111 to 400. Since I export, I can use transparent background. If I wasn't using Canva Pro, I would be going to Lunapic. I'll show you how to do that on Lunapic. Yeah, since I'm doing everything free, I will try to do that. So let's include the background. Lunapic will take time, won't it? Lunapic will take time. Let's make it seem 3K, 95 with the background. I think I'll use Lunapic for the next video. I want this video to be very short, so people don't watch a few seconds and leave. So now we are done with the transparent version. This is the transparent version of the design. So you cannot see the writing because it's white. Then we go to either smart mockups or place it. Place it on it. Website that specializes in mockups. So any design you make, you can upload it here. Freebies is what you're looking for. So you get free designs. You can get the paid designs with so much more options for monthly fee, but I don't have the money to spend it on fake models. So let's say t-shirts, free t-shirts. Yeah, so you can see, you can put your design how this cat is here, how this bear is there very much. You can put on this young girl. I'm looking for a good model. She's folding her arms, so I don't want it. Either this girl or this girl. Who should I choose? She looks happy. Let's give it to her. So we'll place the design on its first shirt color, black. That's our background. And we upload the design from this one. It's a transparent one. If it's not transparent, we can't send this. So right. Some reasons. To the size. And boom, I'm a ray of sunshine. So you want to download it. I didn't log in. If the link is there. Is this the one? Yeah, that's the one. This is 4.1 megabytes. Wait for the final job to be done. Yes, it's done. Selfie mockup for me in the bedroom and boom! I'm a ray of sunshine. So you have the first design made into a shirt. So you can write anything. You can write your name. You can write anything you want, instead of I'm a real sunshine. And this incredible design was created using Canva Pro, and that's how I do it. Very simple, very easy, straight to the point. And thank you very much. I'll catch you guys on the